The third trial begins for a Dayton mother accused of killing her infant daughter in a microwave. Good evening. I'm Michelle Kingsfield.
And I'm Mark Allen. The case itself is now 5 years old, but if a jury convicts China Arnold this time, she could be put to death. Megan O'Rourke has just returned from the courtroom and has the first day's developments. Megan?
Late this morning, the jury was seated, and Judge Mary Wiseman wasted no time getting started with opening statements. About 1:30, with China Arnold seated in front of the courtroom, prosecutors set the stage, detailing the events of August 29, 2005, leading into the next morning, the day 28-day-old Paris Talley died. Prosecutors say Arnold was drunk when she burned baby Paris in a microwave inside their Parkside apartment. They also say Arnold changed her story several times over the years and even confessed to the crime. But Arnold's attorney, John Paul RION, says she is not a killer, and the so-called confession has been taken out of context. Now, so far, these are a lot of the same arguments we've heard in Arnold's previous two trials. The first one, of course, ended in a mistrial. The second time, she was found guilty, but that ruling was later overturned because of prosecutorial misconduct. Today, both sides pledged to prove their point.
The state is confident that you will return verdicts of guilty to both the charge of aggravated murder as well as the aggravated circumstance specification, that this defendant is guilty for purposely causing the death of a child under 13.
There will be no way that you could say the government has proved beyond a reasonable doubt that China Arnold purposely caused the death of Paris Talley. And we ask sincerely a finding of not guilty.
Now, opening statements took just about an hour, and after that, the state called its first witness, Dr. Russell Updegrove, to the stand. He's a forensic pathologist with the Montgomery County Coroner's Office. During his testimony, China Arnold asked to leave the courtroom because of the graphic autopsy photos. Now, the trial is scheduled to resume at 8:30 tomorrow morning. There are potential 265 witnesses that could be called to the stand. One other interesting point, the jury is made up of 16 people, including 4 alternates, and out of all of them, only 2 are men. Reporting live, Megan O'Rourke, 2 News on your side.